Hi there, my name is Kristen Beasley, and I'm the author of I'm in a Job Search, Now What? Has your desk ever looked like this when you were in a job search where everything is scattered everywhere? It's hard for you to figure out what you did with something, and when you need something, you're not able to put your hands on it. Well, do you envision having a desk that looks like this where everything has its place? It's easy to find things when you need them. Well, if that's the case, I wanted to introduce you to a tool called JibberJobber.com, and that's spelled JibberJobber.com, and this is a place to help you organize your job search and keep track of what you've done. We're going to watch a video that Jason Alba, who is the founder of JibberJobber, has allowed me to record and share with you on this broadcast.
Are you looking for a new job or career? Finding one can actually become a job in itself. You can literally spend days or weeks searching and applying for positions online. And then, how do you keep track of all your submissions? Which jobs did you already apply to? Do you know exactly what you told a particular recruiter? Is it time to follow up on older applications? Trying to keep track of all this can be even more time-consuming. The job search process needs to be made easier. And that's why we created JibberJobber. JibberJobber is an easy-to-use career platform that helps you stay organized and manage your job search from beginning to end, so you don't waste time or miss opportunities. JibberJobber is the place to monitor and review all the information and activities you conduct in your job search. Track the individual jobs and companies that you've applied to. Track which resume was used and the status of each application. JibberJobber helps you nurture relationships with your contacts and build your business and professional networks. If you're looking for a job and not using JibberJobber, you're spending more time and effort than you need to, and possibly missing out on some great career opportunities. Even if you're not searching for a job yet, JibberJobber will prepare you for your next transition. Sign up for your free JibberJobber account today.
Now, I wanted to go over some of the features that I love the best about JibberJobber, and one is the ability to actually store your resumes that you're tweaking for different jobs and showing that employer in particular how your skill set matches their job qualifications. Now, you're going to run across things that'll be very similar, and you may want to just do a minor tweak to a resume that you had done, pretty substantial tweak to for a position, and you're going to be able to go and find that resume more quickly through storing it through this database. So, when we talk about tweaking your resume, you're looking at your education, your skills, your work experience, things like that are really going to help you to shine and show that employer that in this particular position, I did X, Y, and Z, which matches X, Y, and Z of your job qualifications. So you're wanting to pair up so that employer sees why you are a good fit for that job and they're not left guessing. Another thing is that you're going to be able to store your cover letters in this database as well. And this tool is going to allow you to be able to look at those and be able to make tweaks to those so that you can, again, use them in similar types of positions. So you're not having to always go back and make big changes, that maybe you can just change a few things here and there to make it be something that's customized for that employer. Another thing is when you're going to these career fairs and job fairs, you're going to get a lot of business cards. And this is a great tool to use to go in and type in their information into this, what they call a customer relationship management database. And that's a good way for you to be able to keep track of people in your industry that recruit that you want to follow back up with in the future. And so this makes it a really good centralized place to put all of that information that you're getting on these business cards into one spot. The other thing is that I always encourage people that when they are applying for the job to go on and copy and paste their job posting into a tool like this, because a lot of times you might get invited for that job interview and go back to look at the job posting and it not be there anymore. So this is a great tool to help you manage things like that. It helps you manage when you've applied for jobs. It helps you to manage when you should follow up from your job application, which is usually within a week, is what we always say is the standard to follow up. And it just makes the job search process so much easier. Now, JibberJobber is available as an app on the Android Google Play or in the Apple iOS Apple Store. So go check it out. There are free and paid levels of JibberJobber, and there are several great tutorials that Jason does for free on his website. He has a large library of information that deals with the job search process, interviews, and things like that. And it just makes it a great place for you to organize your job search and to learn tips on how to better yourself in the job search process.